All right, all right, all right. 1 p.m. Pacific time. Market just closed. It's January 11th, Tuesday. Rough day for me today. Really grinded, put myself in a hole, and had to work really hard just to get out of it. The losses could have been bigger today, so I guess I'm happy about that. Uh, Thanks for tuning in, by the way. Let's check out our results. Happy about the win rate. I think I'm really starting to get these base hits down. Had a really good play on XOM. Energy stocks today were like Chevron, XOM. We're doing really well. I could have just took a couple trades, let it ride all day, and it would have been a really good day. But we're day trading. We're playing what we see, and sometimes we see the wrong thing. And that's the nature of this business. And you just gotta, with time, hopefully gain experience, learn what not to take, understand when you're not being patient, walk away, take a break, stuff like that. So I'm gonna go over my big loss today, which put me in the hole, and I know exactly why it didn't work. I was going for relative weakness, option, wrong on thesis, bad entry, held loser too long, did not watch the market. All right. So I bought one put contract right here, right at the bottom, looking for the break of low of day. And check this out. Oops. Shit working? Okay. Here's Nike. First off, let's look at the daily because we always look at the daily. Ugly. Gap down. I traded this yesterday. Easy to go short on it. Real ugly daily down below the SMA. But today I know exactly what happened. I was looking for a break at the low day. Stock was following SPY. But it did show relative weakness all morning. 1 OSI below 0. And I saw 3 stacked green bars. So I went short. And SPY found support right here. I was not paying attention. I knew I picked a good stock as far as being weak, because obviously it was weak. Look at SPY rally, and it rallied less, but rallied nonetheless. So the same way that you're looking for a relatively strong stock, so when SPY rallies, you ride the tailwind. I was on the wrong side of the market for this one. I should have cut my losses probably around here, this little bull flag right here. But I was wrong. I was living on some hopium right there, and I was tired of looking at it, and I was down like 130. Yeah, I was down 130, and I just wanted to get it off my portfolio because I knew it was a bad trade. And yeah, like 15 minutes later, I could have got maybe half of those losses back on these 3 bars. But fuck it. I wanted to get out of there. I knew what was wrong with it, and I'll learn from it. Market first, market first, market first is what they say. So that really took the wind out of my sails right in the morning. My first trade was actually a quick scalp on Lucid. Very quick option. Scalp. Where the hell is scalp? There it is. And I did exactly what I wanted. Waited 30 minutes after market open, saw a lot of momentum. I pretty much just took this one candle move and got out. I knew I wasn't going to want to hold it all day. And that was a quick 20 bucks, 3%, 4% return on a contract. Happy with that. Didn't really need to look at the market or anything because there was so much momentum in that one. This is my biggest trade today. XOM, again, energy stocks were super strong today. I could have just held it all day and it would have been a good trade. I left money on the table, but I'm working on using my indicators to dictate my exits. We'll go see what SPY was doing, but I got more of a move than, a couple of my recent more moves like from last week. I was in the trade for over an hour, and took a nice $40, $50 move, 10% return. So happy on that. Let's check out the daily and everything. These stocks look really good. I was debating swinging. I mean, they look so strong. Breakout above this little horizontal resistance, or more like consolidation. Lots of volume. Might see continuation tomorrow. So I'll keep this one on my list. And yeah, was strong. Didn't participate in this market dip. And once SPY found support, it was just off to the races. And it was just a bullish day anyway. So really was a easier day to trade. But the way I started the day off, I had my mentality all wrong. I was getting chopped up, had no conviction in my plays, and couldn't really see what I needed to see correctly. So happy about that trade. Gave me back about half of my losses, or a third of my losses. Cool with that. Let's do like one or two more. I took a lot of trades today. I was like 9 and 6 or something. DWAC. This was a SPAC. I did another scalp on this one. I do like scalping. It's quick, in and out. And if you see a lot of volume coming in, big stack green bars, I think I'm pretty good at taking these moves, not waiting for any pullbacks or anything. So no real strategy on this. I just saw it popping off with volume, so I took that trade. Nice little 5% return, $30. Let's do a relative strength one somewhere. MRVL, another one that was strong all day. Could have kept my money in, but again, I couldn't stay put. I was too antsy, I guess. Got in right here. Let's go look at the daily MRVL. Not the nicest daily. I don't really like to trade these, but it bounced off the 50 SMA yesterday. Big volume came in today, and that was a bullish hammer there, and it trended up all day. So same thing, was strong, and SPY found support, and it was pretty much a bullish day depending on the sector. So could have rolled that one longer. Took the move. When did I get out? I got out into strength at, what is that, 120? 120. I'm getting the time zones all mixed up. So I got out right here, and I got in on this bar right here. So a nice 30-minute kind of play. I'm not sure what my exit was. Let's go check out SPY. Right here, 120. SPY at 120. Bam, big move. And then this tiny little candle was kind of forming, and I'm guessing that's why I wanted to get out, or I just wanted to take this strong move right here, because look at all these tiny candles. Did I really want to hold through all those? Not sure. So just got out of that. Took my quick move, quick $25. And again, all these trades really went to digging out of the hole, which is unfortunate because I kept my win rate pretty good. And then I took this trade late in the day. It was actually a good trade, but again, I had no conviction because of earlier in the day I was fucking up. No conviction, chopped up. No technical reason to exit. I kind of had a technical reason to exit. I got in here at the low. Again, this is when the market is really strong. The market was up. So I shouldn't have been going short anyways. But let's see. Pull up Starbucks. SPY. Got in here. This was a sell signal as well. So that's another confirmation that it might have been a good trade. But right when I get in, boom, big green candle, tiny candles, drifts lower. Not really convinced that it's going to start moving up, but the market was so strong, I wasn't sure. It might have brought the stock with it. So I ended up just getting out. I was disappointed in myself just for the Nike trade. So all this psychology played into it. And I didn't like these tiny candles. I wanted to see more boom, boom, boom red candles. And I didn't see it. So I got out. I didn't want it to turn into Nike. So I got out for a $25 loss, which is recoverable. But it ended up like 10 minutes before close. It did start making a move, or 20 minutes before close. Started making a move. So it would have been a profitable trade, but shoulda, coulda, woulda. I traded what I saw. I traded what I felt. So at least it didn't go down to -100 like the Nike trade. And that's probably all the trades I'll go through. The rest are just little base hits, similar things. I took multiple trades on XOM, like these losses that I took right here. I could have avoided those. I got chopped up on that. So that's $15 I got chopped up on a strong stock. These two, Starbucks was a good pick. I just wasn't patient with it. Nike was a dumb pick. And like last week I said, all I need to do is avoid these trades, and I think we'll be fine. We'll keep our win rate up, keep taking these base hits, and not take these stupid ass trades. And I have one swing from today. Apple. Let's check out the daily. Yesterday, really strong day. And today, another strong day. And the market has the market tailwind with it. When did I get in? Let's see. 1 second. Got in just at 11:59. So what's that? Right here? Or did I get in back here? I really don't remember. I got chopped up in a blender today. I think I got in around here somewhere. But right now it's in profit, small profit, and I'm happy to swing it. I think tomorrow we see a continuation. So hopefully I could get back some of the gains I lost today. And yeah, I'm still holding a couple longs, some swing trades from last week. Those are in red right now, but hopefully this bullish market will bring us back to near all-time highs, and I could get out of those trades for a scratch, or hopefully a little bit of profit, which I'll be happy with. I mean, it's pretty hard sitting through -600. I'm down like 1,000 on 3 longs right now, but hopefully with this market tailwind, we'll get back to where we need to be. So thank you guys for watching. That was my Tuesday, January 11th. Good win rate, small tiny loss. We can manage that. Happy to be out of the hole. And we'll be back at it tomorrow. Don't forget to do your routine, because it messes up once you stop doing it. See ya.